Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I will present the assignments from the upskilling and reskilling activities that I am currently participating in. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Siti Fatimah Nur Saada. I am a culinary teacher at Vocational High School Tripati. Here I will explain how to handle guest complaints. By learning to identify guest complaints, how to deal with guest complaints, then what will happen if we ignore guest complaints. Enjoy watching. There are some examples of guest complaints that can occur in a restaurant. Food quality, service, cleanliness, price, atmosphere, food safety, time, and communication. For example, food quality. The food served is still raw. So far, food quality like food is not as expected, such as flavor, temperature, and appearance. The ingredients used are not fresh. Next, the example of services. Treat customer in a less polite or impolite when providing service. Unprofessional attitude, order mix-up, and discrepancies between the menu and the food. Next, the example for cleanliness. The complaint is there were insects in the food ordered. Dirty bedroom, soiled utensil, poor server hygiene. Next, the example for complaint price. Overpriced prices do not match the food served. Discrepancies billing, food prices are different from the listed. Next, the example complaint from atmosphere. The area is crowded, the music is loud, and the temperature was sultry. Next, the example for complaint food safety. Ingredients used are not fresh, and a lot of insects such as flies. Next, the example complaint about time. A long time for the food to arrive. The restaurant's opening time is not in accordance with the stated schedule. The last example for complaint about communication. First, misunderstood because language and accent. The waiter does not explain ingredient. There are some examples of guest complaints that can occur in restaurants. Next, from the example above, what we need to do to provide solution to guest complaint is: first, listen carefully. Don't cut the customer off to interject because you might miss vital information and you will only make them angriest. Also, don't smile while they are complaining to you, even though you might find that polite. Listen with a concerned and attentive attitude. After you listening carefully, you have to apologize with customer. Mention how regretful you are that their experience wasn't optimal and that you'll do your best so that it never happens again. Next, you can offer a solution. Give extensive details on how you will solve the problem and what your next steps are. Next, make things right with some freebies. To sweeten the deal, offer a freebie like a drink or a dessert on the house. It won't cost you too much and it might make a massive difference in the customer's attitude. And the last, do a follow-up. Finally, ensure that the customer leaves the interaction feeling satisfied and not disgruntled. Here are the impacts that will occur if we ignore complaints from requests without providing a solution. First, we can lose of customer trust. Second, we can negative impacts. Last, losing the opportunity to get new customers. And finally, the conclusion of this video is, if we work in a public service, especially the culinary world, provide the best service, response, and solution if there are complaints, so that in the future the company or restaurant that we own or where we work will continue to develop and survive and get better in the future. That's the video of my presentation. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.